Okay, hello. Hello. Welcome. Today we are doing a lesson on minor 6 flatted 7th. Flatted 5th. Minor 6 flatted 5th. But in the last lesson we did the first part, and we've understood that we have do, more, fi, la in the score. This is, if you are using C, this do, more, fi, la. This is the chord. Do. So we are extending it to the whole. It covers the first 4 strings here. But that's not all. Because if you covered the first 4 strings, what about the rest of the strings? So we have covered, if you play this one, we covered the 5th to the 2nd. Then we play this to cover the 6th to 4th. So if I say 6 to the 4th, so that's it. So let's go straight to chaining. We are chaining the chords. So we have C here. The same position, we go to the top, but this one will be on the C, this one F sharp, this finger A, and this one on the E flat. So we have do, fi, la, again, do, fi, la, ma, again. So let's play the chord. Play it together. As you play it down here, they are the same. But sometimes you may see that it's something maybe different, but it's not different. They are the same chord. Do, more, fi, la, do, more, fi, la. So we just go up, play the same. Do, more, fi, la. Then we chain it backwards. So we play one, the same position. Then we go back once. They are all this. They are the same. This is the same chord. We are chaining. That's on the keyboard they will say it's inversion. So we are inverting the chords. We have inverted to the 6th to 4th, then 5th to the 2nd. So when we chain it, especially going back, you see, we start from where we left the back fingers. That's the first finger here. Then we cover the 6th. Then we go back. Backwards. same way when we are coming forward. You have to run on the same so first. Do you get it? Then we back. So that is how the C's, minor C's flatted minor C's flatted fifth chords, how they are working on the board. So when we play here, let me take the line symmetrical. When we play C here, let's go to A and play. Let's go to F sharp and play. If that's very interesting and funny. You see, it's very easy, simple. So let's go again. C, A, F sharp. So today, in this lesson, we are doing the chain. Then here, again. So we play C, then we move to the, let's say this F sharp. I've already told you that all the notes in the key can be mentioned. They are the same chord. So they cut across interchangeably. Then we move. So rehearse more. This is not anything difficult, but only rehearse. The more you rehearse, because I've done the application live tonight. So if you wish to learn ahead, I will come back again and do the application. But the application, because the video, I don't want it to be very long. I have to do application first one, second, third, fourth, fifth application, and only one video cannot capture that. So I really do night videos. That is a rehearsal with you all. So if you've lost all my rehearsal sessions, please catch me live every night from 12 to 4 o'clock. I'm live online every day. Because as for this one, if I add application, the lesson will be more than 30 minutes. And I don't want the lesson to be like that. So let's go. Then you see. So sometimes it's not only by backing. When we play solo, we can play the diminished chords together. So the application, this is not the focus is not on the application, but the focus is on how to construct the chord. So here you move to the backwards, or if you want to go forward, it means where should we go? Tell me where. So we have to have the nose in it. So you see, so we move, we join the chord at where you moved from. So going backwards, we join the chord. So you see, there is a bridge here. So instead of this one is coming, so it means definitely to shoot up top. So it means we need this note. So we need these two notes. You see. releasing the stress. So thank you. All of you are all welcome. This is your friend, your brother, Odehyie Keff. We are learning guitar. Almost every night we go live for a rehearsal session. So catch me live every night. If you are new, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share the video for others to join us. And I'm sure you'll be blessed because we are doing a whole lot of lessons. All the comments that has been under my videos, I will take time from today onwards answer them one by one because there are a whole lot of requests and the songs that requested from other players and learners as well. So you don't worry if you have a request and have not acknowledge your response. Your question. Don't worry at all. I'm on it because the lessons are many and I'm only, so you don't worry. Everything will be taught very nicely. I miss you, love you all. Thank you very much. We shall meet for the other lessons. So catch me live.